Hello everyone, good evening. So today we're gonna discuss XAT 2000 paper. I hope I am audible and visible. Just let me check here. Fine. Hello everyone, good evening. Okay, so I'm perfectly audible and visible. So as you know, I'm Rahul Anant. So I'm a computer science engineer from NIT Uttarakhand, and these are a little bit detail about myself. And if you want to prepare, if you're preparing for CAT and other management examination, must visit my profile on Unacademy. That is your fine. That is your unacademy.com @Rahul Anant. You just reach to my profile. There you can see lot of free courses as well as structured plus courses. So you can go through all them. Just a second, let me check once. Okay. So this is my referral code. If you are planning to take plus subscription or for CAT or any examination, you can use this referral code. Either you're coming first time to Unacademy, you can use this code, that is Rahul Anant, to unlock free classes, unlock special classes as well as your quizzes and all other unique features that are there on the Unacademy you can say app, and also on the platform there you can see on the web platform also you can watch the special classes there. You can use this code for subscription also. You can use this code for unlocking the classes also. Before we start, I have been telling keep this thing. I hope you have given today's test, that was 5 to 7, and this next Sunday it's gonna be again. So keep giving these tests. This is gonna be helpful for your preparation, and top 20 scorers, as there is mentioned, gonna get 5k worth Amazon voucher. So for enrollment, you can go to the description of this video. There you get the enrollment link. There you can click that button, enrollment now. By clicking on this link, you will get the update when this test will be live. If you forget, then this will you get the notification in your app basically. Fine. And one more important part, I hope you all are aware of that on Unacademy we offer there a lot of batches, lot of courses there that are there. You can enroll for any of them. So there are every week lot of courses started. So these are the few batch courses that gonna be start for your CAT 2021. You all can who are the plus subscriber, you can enroll for this, must enroll for these batches that are starting for 2021. And so educators, you can see here all the top educators will be teaching in both the batches. So first batch is called the beginner batch for CAT 2021. Other batch is for complete weekday batch for CAT 2021. So these are the educators: Ravi Prakash sir, Savana ma'am, Bharat Gupta sir. In this Arun Sharma sir, Avlasha ma'am, Aparna ma'am, and I will be taking your classes. Okay. So these are the educators that will be covering. So you can again you can go in the description of this video and you will get the link. You can enroll there. Just click on the enroll. So this is starting from 21st. 21st is tomorrow itself. So this course is starting tomorrow itself, and this course will be starting from 23rd December. So you can you guys can enroll for this course, if you want to cover your syllabus. So these are the best batches that you can join. More batches will be also starting. So if you are planning, you can use this referral code, that is Rahul Anant. There again, I hope you can see that is the referral code. If you want to enroll for these batches, use this referral code and you'll be getting instant 10% discount on your Unacademy purchases. So this is very important, guys. Everyone must enroll who are the plus subscriber plus users. For them it is a must thing to enroll for these batches. Depending on your need, depending on your time, both the batches are good, both the batches are best batches that are there, and more batches will be also there. So depending on your timing, so you must get confused which batch to enroll. So now it depends on the timing, at what time you want to study, and lot of things there. Okay, so depending on your priority, depending on your choice, suppose you may if you start watching few classes here like suppose some here quant is going on, here LRDI is going on, so whatever you like, you can adjust accordingly. Okay, so this is not like that some batch is good or best, so that both are equally good. All the batches, like coming more batches will be there, like this is the weekday batch, there will be weekend batch also, so there will be lot of batches depending on your requirement. Okay, so that you can accordingly join your batch, whatever timings are there according to timing. Suppose this, if this batch is in the morning, if you're a morning person, you can join for that. If this batch is in the evening, so you can join for this batch if you are free in the evening. So depending on your choices, you can enroll for this batches. Fine. So today we're going to discuss JAT. Yesterday we have discussed JAT 2014. Today we're going to discuss JAT 2014. Few quant questions there. We will try to like cover all questions that are possible there in like about 1 hour time. But we'll try to maximize as many questions as we can do. Whatever questions will be left, that will be as your homework. Try to do solve those questions. If you are not able to solve, you find any difficulty, any problem, you can message me on Unacademy. I told how to reach my profile there. Rahul Anant, just unacademy.com/Rahul Anant, just reach that profile. You can message me there regarding question, and also you can this is also my Telegram ID. You can message me there also, Rahul Anant. Fine. Anywhere you can connect me. You can connect me on the Facebook also. You'll just search the Rahul. Fine. If you need, you can if you need the solution for particular question or not able to understand, which we are not able to cover here in the particular time, you can ping me there. Okay, so first question, I it seems to be easier one. Try this question. I'm giving about 1 minute, then we'll discuss. I'm giving about 1 minute. Everyone try this question, then we'll discuss. I hope I am audible and visible. There is not any issue. Solve this question. I think this is a simple one. This should not be difficult for you. What is the sum of the following series? Series is given, you need to find. So this is your 64, 60. This is your AP series. You need to find the sum of this series. You need to find the sum of this given AP series. I hope you have tried this question. So this will be considered as the easier question. It's not a difficult, very simple thing there we need to do. Just find the AP of this series. So whatever we like, we can use. First we need the number of terms here. Okay, so first thing is that we need the number of terms. So how we'll find the number of terms? 100 minus, so this becomes plus, so basically 64. This is 36, and difference is 2, so that is 18. And because we are including both these terms, so your 18 plus 1, 19. So number of terms is here 19. So number of terms is 19. If number of terms is 19 and we need to find the summation of this series, we have first term, last term, so we'll use this formula, half and n by 2 first term plus last term. We'll use this thing. So what we'll get, 164. So minus will be there, definitely minus will be there, so I'm not ignoring that thing. 164 into 82. Okay, so 82 into 19, so 19 last digit. Okay, last digit same, fine. 19 into 2, that is 38. 19 into 8, 19 into 8, 19 into 8. I am not good with the tables, so I have to write, I think 53, 153 I think. 19 into 8, I think 19 into 8, yeah, 152, not 150, so 155. So this is the answer. I hope this is clear. This was a simple one. Okay, let's move to the next one. Solve this question. Try this question. I'm giving again about 1 minute. Just read the question, try to solve, then we'll discuss. Okay, read the question, try to give your efforts, then we'll discuss. Give it a try, then we'll discuss. So today was snap exam. I hope who have given that was a good. attempt for you guys. Okay, try this question. A solid metal cylinder of 10 centimeter height and 14 centimeter diameter. Solid, okay, fine, cylinder. So this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder and 10 centimeter height, 10 centimeter height, 14 centimeter diameter. So this is 14 centimeter diameter. Fine. So basically 7 radius we require. So it's melted. So we need the volume. Basically it's melted and recast into 2 cones in this ratio, keeping the height 10. Okay, height we have. What would be the percentage change in the flat surface area? So basically flat surface area, we are talking about this area. We are talking about this area, this circles area. Fine. So first let's find the volume of this. Volume of this cylinder will be pi r square h, pi r square. So radius is 49 and height is 10. Fine, no issue there. This is 490 pi. This is 490 pi. This is your 490 pi. Now what we are doing, recast into 2 cones in the proportion, in this proportion, volume. Okay, so volume of one cone will be 3:7 into 490. So let's take volume of first cube, volume of second cube. So 4:7 into 490 pi. Fine. So that is 70. So that is 210 pi, and that is 70. That is 220, 280, basically 280 pi. Now keeping the height, we have height. So we need so these are cone. These are cone. So for the cone volume will be 1/3 pi r square h. I hope I am right. 1/3 pi r square h. So height we have 10. So this 10 get cancelled. Pi get cancelled, and 21/3, that becomes 63. 1/3 pi r square h. That is right now. Okay, let's check for this also. 1/3 pi r square h. Is anyone getting answer there, guys? I hope you guys are trying this question. Fine. So okay, we'll see. Basically we'll be require pi square only now, so that we don't need to worry. R square equals to 63, and here r square will be same thing. Here r1, r2 square will be, I hope this is not in your my screen. Okay, this is visible. R2 square will be 84. Fine. So what we need, what would be, anyone got answer there? Anyone have answer there? Just a second. Fine. So now what we need, flat surface, flat area. So what was this? This was pi square, 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r square, just a second. So what was this was 2 pi and 49 into 98. This was 98. Fine. This flat area, we are talking about the flat surface area, not curved surface area. So in the cone, flat surface area will be this only, 2 circles. So circles will be pi r square. So that's why I was telling you don't need to worry about this number. Okay, we don't need to worry about this number because we're gonna get that thing. Fine. So basically we need to add both. So pi r1 square, so that is 63 plus 84. So 63, 84, that is 7, that is 147 pi. 147 pi. So earlier there was 98 pi, now this is 147 pi. So what we need, what is the percentage change in the flat surface area before and after? So we just need to find the ratio of this thing. Basically we need to find the change. So let me just make some space there, just a second. I hope this is clear. This was like little, not as much calculative, but this was little bit exhaustive. Fine. So earlier we have 98 and finally we have 147. So we have options. We have options there. So how much first? Let's see the change. So if I had calculated, definitely I will not do like this. I will just put the answer there. In the values in the calculator, I will get the answer. But 39, 49. So 49 is the 50% of this. So 50% is the increase. This is the right answer. Okay, this was little not calculative. Values were given a good one. Okay, so that we can easily do the calculations. Fine. Try this question. I'm giving about 1 minute. Then we'll discuss. I hope till now whatever we have covered, these are clear. If you have doubt, you can just put in the comment section there. Try this question. I'm giving about 1 minute. Just read the question. Just read the question, then we'll discuss. Just go through the question. The maximum retail price of a product is 50%, 55% above its manufacturing cost. Okay. And the product is sold through a retailer who earns 23% on his purchase price. What is the profit percentage for the manufacturer? If anyone has any doubt, you can just put that in the chat section. Okay, just read the question, then we'll discuss. For my sales is product to retailer, the retailer discount. I'm just looking at if someone, okay, fine. I think we should discuss now. So maximum retail price of a product is 55% above its manufacturing cost. Okay, 55% above. The product is sold through a retailer. This is a retailer who earns 23% on his purchase price. So retailer, suppose purchase at 100 XA, anything we can take, and he sales at so this is the cost price for the retailer, and he will sell at this much, then he will get the profit of 23%. Fine. What is the profit percentage for the manufacturer who sells his product? So manufacturer is this one. Where is manufacturer? Manufacturer is this one. Who sets the MRP above its like 50% of the cost price. Fine. So what is the profit percentage for the manufacturer who sells his product to the retailer? Retailer gives 10% discount on MRP. Retailer gives 10% discount on MRP. Anyone got answer there? Anyone got answer there? So basically, okay, let me just check. I think we should start from here. We should start from starting. If we 100, then we don't know that thing. So let's take 100x. Suppose this is the your like starting cost, that is beared by manufacturer. Manufacturer this bear this cost, and he make, this is MRP. This is MRP. Fine. The product is sold through a retailer who earns 23% profit. So, but one more thing is there. Retailer gives 10% discount on MRP. Retailer, so this is MRP. Retailer gives 10% discount. 10% discount. So basically your selling price will be 10% discount, so that 10% discount we can remove this 10%, we can remove this 10%, so that is 15.5, so that is 5 9 4 3 1 3, so that is there. And this is the selling price. This is the your selling price. Retailer is selling at this price to the customer. Anyone have answer for this? Okay, fine. Till now this is fine. So basically we have taken manufacturing, then after this markup this becomes the price, after this it sold to the retailer, then retailer sold it on 10%. Retailer sold it at this price, so basically we're gonna get now the price at which retailer has purchased. Fine. So at this price, retailer is making a profit. At this price, at this price, retailer is making a profit of 23%. So 23% of this, so 1.23. Suppose this is a something, suppose this is a y, suppose let's, so basically this is the thing. So this is the price that on which this manufacturer has sold. Okay, this is the price. So this is a little intense calculation, so okay, let me just so basically now let's see what we have. We have manufacturer cost, that is 100x. Okay, after that it has sold to the retailer at this price. So whatever we'll get here, that will the profit, or whatever thing will be there, that will be the like bearing of that thing. Okay, so that will the that is the profit percentage for the manufacturer. So how I will do this calculation, just a second, let me see if anyone there got answer. Okay, no. Fine. So basically we have to do calculation. Okay, let me just try if I can do something. I'm very bad with the calculation, no issue. 123, so 936. I hope this is in your visible range. So again 1, so it is coming 10. Okay, more than 10%, so we have 3 options. Fine, no issue there. We can do approximation and all the kind of thing there, but I don't like them, so just let me go by this and 0. So if we go 3 times, I think that will not hurt. So 369, so it is coming 1.3 now. So this is 1.3, so this like something whatever will be, we don't need to worry about. So this is approximately 13%. So this was like little calculation intensive, I think. Fine. Let's see, let's come to the next question. I hope this is clear. If anyone has doubt, you can just let me know in the comment chat box there. I hope this is clear. Okay, this was like, first we take this, like this was chain type of question that we have done there earlier. Okay, read this question. I am giving about 1 minute, then we'll discuss. So Ramesh plans to order a birthday gift for his friend from an online retailer. Okay. However, the birthday coincides with the festival season. So these are just unnecessary thing that is given there, which is there a huge demand. So these things makes the question lengthy in the arithmetic. Unnecessary thing. These are unnecessary things. Fine. Now we have the thing that is the real question is this, just real question. I think this much is the real question, and this is just unnecessary information that is given there. Fine. So don't like get afraid by the length of the question. He estimates that probability of receiving the gift, so this is probability question, in time from retailers A, B, C, D would be 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, 0.5 respectively. Okay, so these are the probability of receiving the gift. Fine. Playing safe, he orders from all 4 retailers. Okay, simultaneously, what would be the probability that his friend would receive gift in the time? So anyone has got answer there? So this is a probability question. I think this is a simple question. If you see, just like if you go by the length of the question, so that is a just unnecessary thing there. That is there in the unnecessary information there that is not related to your question. So don't get afraid or get intimidated by the length of the question. So the probability that would his friend would receive gift in the time. So basically the like even like okay, would receive the gift in the time. Fine. So what we will do, anyone has got answer there? Anyone? Okay, so I think you have done this type of question, like where suppose what we do, if any one seller, like these are the our seller that I've written zero point 0.6, 0.8, 0.9, 0.5. So these are the probabilities of like getting the delivery there on time. Okay, suppose these all fail to deliver on the time. Okay, that will the probability that no one is delivering on time. Basically we will find the probability where no one is delivering on time, and then we'll subtract that from 1. We'll find the probability of delivering one at a time. Is this clear? So this type question I think you have, I hope you guys have done this type of question there. Hello Shivam. Basically what we do in the Shivam, I think you have snap today. How was that? So basically what we do in this type of questions, we find the probability there, we find the like overall probability that not anyone is not delivering there, fine. And after that, if we subtract 1, we find the negative probability of that. So basically at least one will be delivering, fine. Okay, A is the answer. So I think this is simple, no? This is probability simple. So just we'll find the negative probability of all these, that no one is delivering. So this is zero point 0.4, this is 0.2, this is 0.1, and this is 0.5. So this is how much? 8540, no, 40. This is 40. So this is how many zeros will be there? I'm just 1 2 3 4. So this is this now, 8440. Now A is the answer. It was good. Okay, this I think. So what? So you have got A as answer. A as answer. No, I don't think A will be. So this is there. So this plus K here. So we are not. I haven't planned anything for the plus. I'm thinking I will just covering these previous year papers as I discussed with you. I'll be just taking previous year papers. Okay, so these are the things, because like you guys have prepared like for the CAT, so you don't require any plus courses for this. So this is the probability that no one is delivering there. So if no one is delivering there, so now your this will be your of delivery will be 1 minus 0.0004. So your answer will be 6. No, this one will be E is the right answer. See now, this is the answer. E is the answer. That of delivering. Just check. Yeah, Abhishek. E is the answer. So just check. Is this doubt there? Because this we have found. See, this we have found. Basically, what we are doing. If suppose like either of them out of 4, if any retailer there, deliver the gift in time, so that will the delivery in time. Yeah, right. Okay, let's come to the next. So this was easy. I think this was easy. Solve this one. Yeah, Abhishek, that is the thing. Fine, try this question. The figure below has been obtained by, try this question. I'm giving about 1 minute, then we'll discuss. So as I told guys, you don't need like anything much. If you have prepared well, I have told this thing many times. If you have prepared well for CAT, means you have like given at least 5-6 months to the CAT, you have given few mocks, like at least 10-12 mocks of CAT, and you have like done decent preparation, you have covered all the topics. So you don't need like too much about for any other OMAT examination. Just give previous year mocks, just do the previous year questions, do the few mocks, and like if someone has extra like decision making ZAT and GK, like in some exam there is GK decision making, so just do these extra things, just nothing else you need to do. Okay, you don't need to go back to do all the things again arithmetics, algebra, you don't need to do. So C is the answer. Okay, let's see. So what is this? The figure below folding rectangle. So basically this is there and this will be rectangle. Fine. The current overlapping part. So this is given 140, the total area of the figure. So this area has a 144. This has area. So had the rectangle not been folded, what would be the total area? So area of original rectangle. So basically this will be just increased. This will be just increased. So if 144 is there, so basically this is not option. Okay, so all the options. So we have to solve, nothing else. So 14, 6, 84. This is 84. So 84. So remaining this is 60. So this is 6. So as this is rectangle, this will be also 6. So this is 18. This is 18. This is 18 now. This is 18. So if this is 18, so this is also 18. This is also 18. Okay, nothing. We don't need to do anything else. Very simple. We don't need to do anything there. This is simple. So if we just join this, yeah, like same you can do few mocks also. Okay, like time based. Okay, do 5-6 year, like 6-7 years previous year paper, and give like at least 5-6 mocks. At least 5-6 mocks. That will be enough for any exam there. Okay, so basically this is 6, this is 6, this is the just extra area that will be there, in this rectangle. That is the area just that has been hidden there. So what we'll do, that is 6 and this is 6, 36. So this is 18. So this is 18. So 18 will be increased. So just add 18 in the 144. That will be the answer. Anyone is doubt there? Is this clear now? This was simple. This was simple. So 162 is the right. C is the right answer. Fine. See this one. Find the equation of the graph. So this is simple. Equation of the graph shown below. Try this one. If you haven't like prepared well for CAT, then like you need to check your basics and all the thing. Else you don't need to do anything there. Just do the previous year question. Do any extra thing that is there, like in that particular paper. Like in some paper have GKs. Some paper have like decision making. So just do these type of things. Go to the basic of this type of the thing. Just go to the basics of all these things and give the few mocks, previous year questions and few mocks. Previous year questions are the must thing, and mocks are there to like get accustomed times to the like that timetable and all the thing there. Fine. So see this one. So let's see this question. So this type question, like we never like try to make the graph. We just put the values. I think that let's see if we can do that by that manner. So if we see this point, so here x is 0, y minus 4. So this is satisfying. Okay. So if your any other point is there, any other point we can verify. Okay. So if your this this also we cannot. Basically we know this is parabola. So equation will be quadratic. Definitely equation will be quadratic. So quadratic. So first is not there. Definitely this is not there. Now let's see. Y equals to 0 and x will be no, this is not. Y equals to 0, x is not. So I think we are getting simply x equals to 0, not y equals to 0. Okay, let me check here first. Y equals to 0. So this is the answer. No? D is coming. Just check. D is coming. I think D is coming. Just check. Simple. This is your no simple. Why you are committing these silly mistakes? Is this clear, Sivam? Just check. Guys, anyone has doubt in this? I think this was simple. Just you have to like first thing, only two equations are satisfying. This is the point that is the integer point that we can check for. So if we check for this, so this equation is satisfying and this equation is only satisfying. These two equations are satisfying. but this equation is a linear equation, and you know this is a parabola, so definitely this is a quadratic curve. So this is the answer there. Any doubt? XY उल्टा है. Okay, but how it will affect my answer? XY उल्टा है. X axis and Y axis. Okay, so X. Okay, then what? No, it's not Y axis. Okay, this is Y axis. This is X axis. Is this you are saying? Okay, this is so. Just rotate the thing. So what we will do? What we'll do then? Then basically this is becomes your X. This becomes okay. Let's check. Let me check. Then basically your this point is your x0 and y minus 4. Now this you are saying. So for this let me just verify this. If x I am putting 0 here. Okay, so this is not satisfying. Fine. X I am 0, so y no. If x 0, y, this will be not satisfying. Is this like ulta yaar? I am not getting this point. I think this may be misprint in like else no equation will be satisfying. Else no equation. So I'm just check else no equation will satisfy. No. Else no equation will satisfy, I think. So this may be like this may be misprint. This may be misprint. This may be misprint. Okay. Just after the class verify from other source also. I think like this may be misprint there where from the source that I have taken. Else like I'm not able to see like if any other this is not satisfying, then this is also not satisfying. This is not satisfying. This is not satisfying. You can see there only this is satisfying. So this we cannot see. Exact 4 nahi hai shayad. No, that is exact 4. That is, let me just check. That is exact 4 here. That is exact 4. See, this is 3 now. That's why they have like I think this is exact. Even if this is not exact 4, then see also it will not be close. Here I will get x0. I will get something strange value. I don't think. Okay, just check. I think this will be there. I like whatever I am able to get. Maybe this is misprint. Maybe this is misprint there. X axis and y axis. I think this will be there. Just solve this manner. Else I think this will be a little complicated. This is definitely not answer. Fine. If we okay, let just let me verify what you are saying. X is 0, y is minus 4. Let me just go through again. So if I put x equal to 0 here, y equals to minus 40 now. So this is like this is not there. No possibility there. No possible there. X equals to 0. This is also not possible. Y equals to minus 4. No. This is y square. This is y square. This can be there. This can be there. So y square equals to 4x, which is linear. Y square equals to just a second. Square 4x. I think like this is the default. This thing is wrong. Okay. So I think I'm only able to get only with this answer. Like these are not satisfying. These are even not closer to this. Even if this is not minus 4. Okay, this I think I have to verify this from other source. Just check after the class if what is there. What is this thing is there. Else like we are not getting the answer. Okay, that's why I'm just saying that this is y axis, this is x axis. Just check after the class. Fine. Okay, I'll do this question. So in the ZAT I told like questions will be very lengthier. Each closest to the option when you put y equals to minus 4. Y equals to minus 4. Okay, y equals to minus 4. Let me just check quickly. Minus 4 that is 32. Minus 4 that is minus 12. That is minus 19. So that is 31. X equals to 1. X equal to 1 now. No, not 1. Not 1. That is 30. Yeah, 1. 1. So x is 1. So where x is not 1? X is not 1. X is 0. No? X is 0. If you are saying that this is x, so see now. That will not be 1. I don't think. I don't think. Okay, just check. Else, like if you are right, if you are saying this thing, if this is okay, let's check. If this is there, so this will be answer, but closest. But like as this is satisfying exact, that's why I'm taking. Okay, if this is the equation, then this will be the answer. Just this we can do. This we can do. Okay, just verify whatever information is there. If x's are these, okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, then this will be the closest answer, not exact, closest answer. Okay, as you are saying. And else, like if this is printing mistake, then this is the exact answer. Fine. I think this thing we can do. Yeah. Else, like this question is simple. Like if there is no error, this question is simple. Else. Fine. Solve this question. Product M. So as I told in the like, you can see this question was simple. This was simple. If you see, this was unnecessary data that is written there. So in the Z questions will be lengthier, but solutions, like I don't think approximation are there too much. Whatever paper I have seen till now, Z they try to ask most of the things that approx answers are there. Okay. Hi Pritam. So I've seen they asked like approximation type of thing most of the time. Yesterday we have seen like 4 questions were there. There they have asked like range x greater than x, like this type of questions that are there. In the Z questions will be lengthier. Solution may be like not as difficult, but questions will be lengthier. Unnecessary thing will be there, and their approximation type answers will be there. Fine. Try this one. Just read this data. Product M is produced by mixing chemical X and chemical Y in ratio 5:4. Chemical X is prepared by mixing 2 raw materials. Fine. Let me see, there are too many questions. Just a second. Quickly. Okay, let's discuss this. So product M is produced mixing X and Y in ratio 5:4. Fine. 5:4. Chemical X में there A and B in 1:3. Fine. In chemical Y there is BC 2:1. Okay, so it's too much. Then final mixture is prepared by mixing 864. Okay, B. Final mixture is prepared by mixing 864 unit of product. So 864 of unit will be there. Fine. So 864 is your 6, 4, 10, 18. So basically this will be 5, 4. So 9 से हो जाएगा ना, 9, 9, 81 and 9, 6. 9 and 9, 9, 81. 9, 6, 54. Fine, this is fine. So 96 into 5. So instead of doing that, we can just take 5A, 4A, and whatever we'll require, we'll do. Okay. What we need to do here? It's so much like branches there. Okay, so let's take 5A. Your product X is 5A. In the 5A, A is 1/4 of 5A. So many like branches there. B is your B we need, no? B we need, B 2 times there. So B is 3/4 into 5A. Fine. And B is here 2/3 into 4A. So this much is the total quantity of B. And C is your 1/3 into 5A. Finally, and your A is there 96. A is there 96 now. A is there 96. A is 96. So what they are saying, this is the concentration of the raw material B in the final mixture is 50%. Final mixture is 15%. So let's first find the B. B is let's put 96 here. Let's put 96 here. As I told, these are like calculation intensive. So 24 into 5, 120, 360 I think. I hope this is right. Okay, and 96 को 3 टाइम करते हैं. So 33932. So 32 into 2, that is 64. 64 into 4, that is 256. I hope I have done the calculation right, guys. Like, I'm too bad with the calculations. So I hope whatever I have done till now, that is right. So this is your is anyone just can verify. This is 6, this is 11, this is 616. Is this right? Can anyone just verify this thing? I am very bad in this thing. Can anyone just verify this is I'm getting the same thing? Even like in this YouTube one problem is also that I just get to know the 3/5 of this 3/4. So basically, okay, let's do this, come to this thing. Finally we'll get the total quantity of B, and B is the 50% of the total. B is the 50% of the total. So if this is okay, let's see. I hope I have done the right whatever done. Okay, if B is this, so B is 50%. So total mixture is 2 times of this, that is 1232. That is 1232. So how much water has been added? Okay, so just I hope I have done the calculation right, guys. Okay, 864. So water will be this now 8. If answer will be match, I will be sure. Else like I will leave up to you. 11 at 3. Yeah, 328. 328 is the right answer. B, okay, 368 you guys have got. 368. 864, 12, 8 and 2. Calculation is right now here. 12. Okay, this is the wrong. Fine. Okay, finally I got it. Fine, let's do the next one. Let's see which question we should do. Let's like this will be the last question gonna be because the next class is also starting at 7. Okay, let's see which question we should do. A circular construction. This is your mensuration. What with the AED? Okay, diagonals. This seems to be interesting. Okay, this is also. Let me check just. Okay, let's do this function question. This year in the CAT also there were function questions. Solve this question. For a positive integer x, define fx such that fx plus a equals to fax. Fx plus a, fx plus a, fax. Any function is there that you can like x to the power a plus b, then that is x a into xb. But that will be different function. Everyone try this question, then we'll discuss. Just see, have a look at this question. This try this one. I hope like this is not like this should not be a difficult. This is a function, so you have seen the type of function. So I have told like if you are able to guess the function, then question become easier. But if you're not able to guess, like we can like just go by the random thing in the, just by like putting the values, checking all the things there, we can go in that manner also. Okay, let's see this one. So fx plus this one. So as integer, for a positive integer x is a integer, a is an integer. So just this thing is there. F1 is 4. So if I put x equals to 1, a equals to 1. If I put this thing there, so basically this becomes 1. Product 1. This becomes 2. This is 4. Okay. So this is 4. If I put like I like these type of question. This type question doesn't waste our time in reading. I guess everything is equal to fn. Okay, 2 is equal. Okay, let's see. Let's put x a equals to 2, x equals to 1. So that is 3 and 2. Yeah, everything is coming equal. So this will be also 4. So your answer K, no? So none of the above, none of the above, none of the above. Is this clear? So these type of questions, like wherever you see, like try to do them. These type of questions like will be easier if you are able to just guess the thing. It's like in the arithmetic, the time will take to read the question. In that time, I think we can like here solve the questions. Okay. Okay. So guys, like see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, few questions are left. Just try these questions because next class is starting in like in 5-10 minutes. So I'll wind up here. Everyone just try to do these questions, all these questions. Just let me see. This is a simple question, just a construction circular road and this outside. Yeah, you can solve this one. And this is also CD. BF. Fine. Just I think symmetry or anything like will be there. Diagonal. So this is simple. This is just calculation part. The length of the diagonals. Fine. You know the formula. This K2 minus K1. Fine. This is the simple compound formula. Okay, just go through these questions, guys. We'll be winding up session today here. Go through these questions. If you find a problem in any question, you can message me at any time. You can message me on Telegram using the same ID, that is Rahul Anant. You can message me there on the Unacademy. On the Unacademy also, just go through the my profile and just you can see the option for their message there. You can send me message there. Okay. So in the next class, most probably today, 7 to 8 timing, we'll be discussing 2016 paper. Okay. Today we have little less time. We'll try to like do in the next class complete question. Yesterday also we are not able to finish all the question. Today also we left a few questions there. So in the next class we're trying to do a complete question there. But you guys have to solve all these questions after the class. Just go through this PPT, or you can get paper online also. I have also taken from sources, so you can just go there and solve the questions. Okay. So thank you all for joining this session, and if you are preparing for 2021, definitely visit to my profile, that is Rahul Anant, unacademy.com/@Rahul Anant. So reach there, you will get the free classes, special free classes there. And for the structured plus courses there, you can enroll for the Unacademy using my referral code. You will be getting 10% discount. So at the initial, as I told, like every week there will be batches starting, so you can do that. So just important thing for any exam, so the exams that are left there, that is your JAT and your IFT. Okay, few of me have left one attempt for SNAP also, but for the ZAT IMT, just go through the previous year paper. Like ZAT is first, so that's why we are doing the ZAT questions first. So after that we'll do the same way IFT papers also. Okay, so go through all these. Like we're not able to go through definitely all the questions there, but we're trying to as many. So one thing you can do also, you can go through the questions paper earlier, and you can let me know that sir, this is the question that we need to discuss in the class. Okay, so that we can do. Else, like what I am doing here, I am just like taking these questions from the papers, and we are discussing like on random manner, first, second, third, these questions. So that thing you can do. Okay, you can like let me know that in which questions you are finding difficulty, that we can discuss. So that I think that will be a better discussion. So you guys, like I will try to share that PDF question paper PDF in the group before. Guys, go through that. After that we'll see that we'll do the questions in which you may have doubt. Okay, I think that will be the better thing. Else, like we are just end up discussing the question that maybe you're also getting those questions. Fine. So that's it for today. Let's meet next session, and next session we're doing the questions from the 2016. This was from the 2015. Fine. And so just check one question that I told, that also what was the value there for the graph question. Okay, just check x and y axis. I think that thing I will also check and let you know if you required in the next session. Fine. So let's meet in the some next session. That's it for today. Goodbye everyone, and all the best for your upcoming exams.